Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem many developers face when setting up dev containers in VS Code. The problem lies in trying to mount AWS credentials into the dev container in a portable manner using a relative reference to the home directory. However, attempts to do so directly in the DevContainer.json file resulted in a frustrating error message complaining about an invalid mount path. When looking for a solution to this problem, we discovered that referencing environment variables in the mount configuration can be a bit tricky. The key to making it work lies in utilizing the proper syntax. By leveraging the code-to-local encode construct, we can successfully mount the AWS credentials file into the dev container by specifying the source path as $local_env home.oscode. This approach ensures the path is correctly resolved, allowing for seamless integration of the credentials during development. In summary, we've tackled the issue of binding AWS credentials into a dev container for VS Code development by harnessing the power of environment variable references. By using the $local_env home.oscode syntax, we can effortlessly ensure the credentials file is mounted correctly within the container. With this solution in place, you're all set to streamline your development workflow and collaborate effectively with your team. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!